Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, like and definitely subscribe because this is going to be a very special video. We are going to give away this beautiful STI.
So those of you that have been on the channel for a while, you've seen when I bought the car, the build up, everything about it, and in the end we decided the best thing to do with it, because to be honest, I can't collect cars, and neither can Jesse.
No.
So we figured the best thing to do would be to raffle it off to our Instagram and YouTube subscribers.
Yep. So we're about 15 minutes away from actually doing the draw, so this is a little pre-intro to it. Basically how we did it was we sold limited edition stickers. If you want to grab one of the stickers, we can show them. We sold 600 of them for $25 each. You could buy as many as you want. Everyone is actually legitimately gonna get their sticker. And then as you purchase the sticker, we assigned a number to your name. And then we're gonna use a random number generator app. Whatever number comes up and whoever owns that number is the winner of this car. We're even giving them the money to pay the tax on the transfer and safety and all. So it was definitely experimental and unexpected even getting into doing this. At first we posted like a feeler on our Instagram seeing if people would be interested. Within minutes we had people who wanted to already send their money for entries and stuff like that. So then at that point we're like, well, we have to do it now because everyone seems to be really interested.
Almost expecting it now.
Yeah. And then after opening up the contest and making the rules and stuff like that, figuring out how we were going to do it, we expected it would take 3 weeks to a month to actually fill all the entries. It took 4 days. So we were a bit surprised in that.
Yeah, organizing, was it 600 ticket sales in 4 days was a nightmare.
Yeah, I think from Friday to the end of Wednesday, we were both on our phones every day for about 10 hours a day to get it all in place.
I think
it's a live in one.
Oh, buddy.
You know what I'm saying, man? So figuring out how to do live activity. I think we press this.
I think, yeah, you press the middle button and...
Checking connection. You're live now.
Holy shit.
Whoa.
Are we live?
Are we live or what? We're not the most technology pure dudes. So we're doing the best we can. We're also filming this all on the GoPro for a later vid.
If you can't tell, I'm super nervous to give this car away. Like,
we
I
are
have goosebumps.
minutes away from drawing it. So how we're doing it, guys, if you didn't know, we're using random number generator app, and we're going to first show you guys how the app works on a different, I guess, section of numbers to give you a demo, and then we're going to kick it back to the actual 1 to 600. We're going to let her rip. Whoever owns that number owns this car. Oh, can you hear me? I'm over here.
Oh my god, I can see myself on my own phone from your phone.
Wow, that's sweet.
Man, the technology is blowing our minds right now.
We're going live.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. There we go.
Yeah, Rob is not live anymore.
No.
We'll wait a little bit longer because we still got a lot of people joining. Are you guys ready?
Okay.
I'm ready, I guess.
Okay, so intense. All of our numbers and names are on the sheet on the windshield. So as soon as we find out, we're gonna, don't show everybody's private information there, but yes. So here, random number generator. It's gonna be between 1 and 600. Okay, I'm so nervous right now, guys.
Oh my god.
We're gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. 530.
Wow, right. Let's
Number
check it, boys. Let's check it. Check it. Oh my gosh. This is intense.
530 is on this page. Tamas Gellert Kotana.
Wow.
Holy shit, I know who that is.
Oh, yeah?
That is a guy that works with my buddy Pat.
Wow. So
Holy shit, Thomas from Kitchener.
You just won a car,
Won
buddy.
a fucking STI. Man, congratulations. Thank you
Wow.
to everyone that bought tickets. Everyone that bought tickets made this possible. Oh my god.
I am
My
shaking,
goosebumps-
man,
I am
yeah.
shaking. My
That
goosebumps
is
are like
intense.
crazy.
Holy
Thomas, I'm bad at pronouncing your name. Here's your new car. Why don't we call you?
Yeah, give him a call, man.
Yeah,
Hopefully he thinks it's a joke and then we'll redraw.
yeah.
No, that might be a joke too.
Let's go. This is insane.
Cold calls.
Bro, I'm watching you live.
Congratulations, man!
Holy.
You won. The car is yours,
I can't believe it. I started screaming in the shop. Holy shit.
dude.
Oh
the
my
car is
gosh.
yours. Like, we're going to safety it on Monday, and you can pick it up after that. Congratulations.
And we got some cash here for you,
Yeah.
man.
So, gonna come with the cash to transfer it in your name and everything. Holy fuck, man! I'm so excited for you.
I was watching the number generator. I was like, I couldn't believe it. My heart dropped right away. I was sitting
Wow.
there, he looked at me. He's like, fuck off. I'm like, dude, that's my number.
Dude, I can't believe it. Like, I'm shaking. I'm sweating. Congratulations, man.
Oh, I'm so fucking hyped. Oh, man. You guys let me know the details, and I'll come pick it up then, I guess, next week sometime.
Sounds good, man. Congratulations.
Oh man.
You guys are the best.
Yeah. See ya.
Wow.
Holy shit.
That was wild.
That is
Well,
unbelievable.
again, thanks to everyone who participated, made this happen. We are going to mail out your stickers starting next week, so everyone will get a cool little badge, you know, that shows that you participated. And, you know, we had a good time doing this. We hope you guys did too. And stay tuned for the next one.
Thank you, guys.
Oh.
All right, it's time for me to pull the engine out of this. Again, look at that luck. Took it to get it safetied. 40 kilometers after it got safetied, Uncle Rodney came knocking. And she's all back together. I think that's the third time I've said that. I'm getting really tired of putting engines in this car. Now, we have the car shined up again, and the winner should be here, I think, in about 15-20 minutes, and he gets to come pick up the car. There's the engine that we took out of it. What's up? Oh, you ready to meet your ride?
I'm ready. I'm nervous,
Yeah,
but ready.
we're recording this too.
Yeah, yeah, no problem, no problem.
Does my girlfriend
Check
have
it.
Alicia?
We should ask Rob and Jesse. Oh shit!
Dude.
Smells
Yeah,
really
it's
good,
like
dude.
I know this shop just from the videos, but I've never been here.
Yeah, dude, it's so weird.
It's
seeing
actually
it in person.
backwards than what I thought it was. Ah, trippy. Dude, I thought that was over here.
Yeah, and you thought the doors were over there?
I don't know. I just thought like when I
It's
see
different seeing it in person.
By the way, speech.
It's a lot like
Yeah.
smaller than you expect.
I actually thought that it was gonna be smaller than this.
Oh yeah.
This is sick though. It looks so
What do you
nice.
think?
I love it. I
Sorry
love
it
it.
took a little longer because the engine that was in it is now sitting on a tire.
That's no problem.
But,
That doesn't matter.
This is definitely hard.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Good.
Obnoxious.
Exactly. See red, yeah.
Anything loud?
Loud. I don't know how loud it is, but it's going to be
I
loud.
was gonna say it's actually quiet, stock exhaust other than the downpipe, so
Yeah.
it's like
It's
driving
gonna be
a
loud.
nice
soon.
normal car.
Yeah, it's gonna be loud soon.
Look at this thing.
Hell yeah, it looks great.
Man, it was the classic Subaru engine failure. I got it safetied, drove it back from getting safetied. 2 stop signs away from here, I come to a stop sign, the oil pressure light just started flickering, and I put a new oil pressure sensor in that. I was like, fucking $8 part, it's brand new, of course it would fail. Get it to the next stop sign, and I could hear it knocking. I was like, nope, it was great. Great oil pressure sensor. But like, between two stop signs, not ripping it because I'm like, it's not my car anymore. I'm not gonna ditch it or something.
Dude, I was hoping you were ripping it because I'm like, he's gonna be ripping it.
Might as well.
Yeah.
No, I'm like, I'm not gonna rip it, so it can blow up on him, and then it's his problem.
Yeah, it looks great. I love it.
What those
I love it so much.
Rob
That's
spec.
always the driving test. So many of our customers.
Oh yeah. Alright, give her some juice over the voice bump. Oh yeah, look at him, a Subi bro is born!